dear parents, teachers, and students. Welcome to our end-of-year ceremony. Today, we celebrate the wonderful achievement of our young students. Our school began with a dream to create a loving, home-like learning environment where our children can flourish. Since we started in 2017, inspired by the radio philosophy, we have grown and thrived, always striving for excellence. I want to thank our amazing families for your trust and support, and our dedicated team for your hard work and passion. Your efforts have brought us to this proud moment. To our dear students, you are the shining stars of our school. Your curiosity, joy, and creativity inspire us every day. Keep dreaming big and always stay curious. As we look to the future, we are excited for the continued journey of growth and learning together. Thank you for being part of our uNiK family. Thank you.
The story started with a dream to build a home-like learning environment for our children, where they can be the best of themselves. Our journey began with a passion of education 19 years ago and took shape as uNiK in 2017 with deep inspiration from the radio philosophy, which meets the highest international standards in education worldwide. And here we are today, in June 2024, opening our middle school and growing with our children and families. Throughout these years, I would like to thank our families, first and foremost, for trusting us when we were at the very beginning of our success story. I would also like to thank my team, the uNiK family, who worked day and night to celebrate this moment with us today. Our story doesn't end here and will never have a final destination. It's an endless journey of improvement and growth. Our children, who will be the leaders of change, will soon be entering the doors of the best universities and making differences in their communities. Meanwhile, some of them have already started to be our ambassadors worldwide. Finally, a million thanks again to all who believed in us from the very beginning or during our journey and stood by us through our hard and tough days. We are here because of you. And together we grow. Sumaya, York.